Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're going to be cooking a lamb tagine. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Start by putting the diced lamb in a bowl and coating it with half of the oil. Now set it to one side as we mix the spices. Take a large resealable bag and pour in the cloves, cardamom, paprika, turmeric, cumin, cayenne, cinnamon, salt, ginger and coriander. Yes, that's a lot of spices. Now add the lamb, seal up the bag and give everything a really good mix to ensure it's evenly covered. Pop the bag in the fridge and leave it to marinate for about 8 hours or even overnight if you can. Before we start cooking the lamb, mix the stock pot with boiling water to make our chicken stock. Now heat the remaining oil in a saucepan on a medium-high heat. Once it's hot, brown off the lamb in small batches and place on a plate to one side. In the same saucepan, cook the carrots and onions for about 5 minutes. Add in the garlic and root ginger. Now you're ready to mix the lamb back in, as well as the chicken stock, honey, lemon zest and tomato puree. You want to bring the whole mixture to a boil and then drop the heat down to low so that it's just gently simmering. Cover the lid and let it cook for 1.5 to 2 hours. You can also stir it occasionally as well. While the tagine is cooking, mix together the corn flour and a roughly equal amount of water. If the tagine looks a bit too thin when it's cooked, we can add a little of this mixture to thicken it up. Remember to only add a little, as you can always add more. Enjoy this wonderful tagine hot with couscous and other Moroccan inspired side dishes. It's a great meal to cook for family and friends that won't disappoint. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.